As part of doing spectroscopy experiments with a drone, I needed to make a simple spectrometer that could be attached to the drone camera to image different light sources and generate spectra. The mini foldable spectrometer as described on the public lab website seemed like the perfect device. It uses a section of prepared DVD as the diffraction grating. However, my research showed lots of ways people showed and suggested how to prepare these. Some used razor blade box knives to split the DVD, which can be dangerous and a cutting hazard. Other references recommended using tape to remove the aluminum coating once the disc was split. Some recommended using drain cleaner with sodium or potassium hydroxide to dissolve the aluminum label. So instead of splitting the two polycarbonate sections of the DVD, though just cutting it with scissors might work. However, if you try to just cut a DVD this way, it will crack and shatter and still not separate very well. One YouTube video showed placing the DVD in the freezer for 10 minutes, but my attempts at using this technique still resulted in cracked product. Another YouTube video showed placing it in hot tap water for 10 minutes. This technique resulted in a much better cut with scissors and allowed easily splitting the sections without having to remove any of the aluminum coating. To remove the dye, some suggested denatured alcohol, or ethanol with methanol or other poisonous substance added to discourage recreation consumption. I found 91% isopropyl alcohol to work to remove the dye very effectively and is safer and cheaper than denatured alcohol. I have used this process on several DVDs and it has worked very well each time. However, the age of the DVD, manufacturer, and other parameters may affect your results. The following video shows the process. You will need the following items. A DVD-R disc. I used a Kodak DVD-R. A small plastic or glass dish that the DVD disc fits into the bottom of. I used the plastic dish from a frozen microwave breakfast bowl and it was the perfect size. Isopropyl alcohol, 91%, obtainable at any pharmacy section of a store. Scissors. Tissue paper or paper towel to wipe off the dissolved purple dye of the DVD. Disposable nitrile gloves. First, add hot tap water to the bowl. Place the DVD into the bowl with the hot water and let 8 to 10 minutes. After the 8 to 10 minutes, remove from the bowl and immediately cut the DVD with the scissors. Carefully pull the cut sections apart and look at the edge. You need to find the split between the two polycarbonate plastic sections that was started from the scissor cut. Using your fingernail and fingers, carefully pry and pull apart the sections. Discard the top section with the aluminum coating. We will be working on the lower section of the DVD that has the purple dye on it. Place a paper towel on the work surface to prevent staining and place the section of the DVD down on it. I recommend wearing disposable nitrile gloves during the dye removal process to prevent getting the dye on your skin. These types of gloves are available at most stores, but any protective glove will work. Dab a small amount of the alcohol onto the tissue paper or paper towel and wipe the disc the dye. Repeat until all traces of the dye are removed. When done, this will result in a large section of prepared DVD that can be used as a diffraction grating.